Okay, we're looking at lesson 1-6, absolute value equations and inequalities. So the thing to remember about absolute value is that of a real number x, written absolute value x, is the distance from 0 on the number line. Therefore, it's always positive. So if we have the absolute value of 4 is equal to 4. The absolute value of -4 is equal to 4 because I'm counting distance, and distance can never be negative. I never can say, hey, I'm going -5 miles down the street. So distance is always positive. Therefore, we have to take this into consideration when we're solving equations and inequalities. So let's look at the first example, problem number 1. It says, what is the solution for 2x minus 1 equal 5? Graph the solution. So I have 2x minus 1 equal 5. Well, I have to take in consideration that this can be a plus 5 or a -5. So I have 2x minus 5 equal 1, or 2x minus 1 equal -5. So if I solve, I'm going to add 5 to both sides. I get 2x equals 6, divide by 2, and I get x equals 3. For this side, again, I add 1 to both sides. I get 2x equals -4, divide by 2, I get x equals -2. So either one of these, when I plug it in, I get absolute value of 5. So when I graph it, I get x equals -2, a dot there, and x equals 3, a dot there. Let's look at the second one. The guided now and do it on our own. All right, absolute value of 3x plus 2 equals 4. So again, I have my 2 equation. I have 3x plus 2 equal 4, and 3x plus 2 equal -4. So I'll solve the first one. I get 3x equals 2. Oops. It's divided by 3, excuse me. X equals 2 over 3. Same thing here. I get 3x equals -6. And x equals -2. So if I graph it, first one, it's a dot here at 2, and 2 over 3 is probably about right here. Okay, now I can also plug it back in just to see if it works out. Let's do that really quick. So if I have 3 times 2/3 plus 2, I get, my 3's cancel out, I get 2 plus 2, and I get absolute value of 4, which is 4. Let's do the second one. I get absolute value of 3 times -2 plus 2. I want to see if that equals 4. And I get absolute value of -6 plus 2, which is giving me the absolute value of -4, which is 4. So that checks out. So you see how it can work. I can plug in 2 different x values, and I still get 4 when I'm taking the absolute value. I hope this helps.